Today I work YouTube video SEO as a new channel and new video. Uh, Only for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only for 5 video of this channel. As a first video optimizing SEO. SEO as like search engine optimizing. We start our optimizing. This is the video optimizing. We optimizing video title, description and tag section. What is title? Title is the of your video niche. When you write niche of your video, then your video is increase views and growth and subscriber. This is the video is right niche or right title score is 96. This is the 96 score. Then we optimize it. This is the description of this video. Then this is the 0 score. 0 always 0 score. When completed this video all section as like title, description and text section, this is the text section, then score is increased automatically. This is complete the description and we complete the when we complete the text section. This is the text section. This is when we hashtag keyword research, then video organically growth, organically subscriber and organically views. This is the hashtag keywords. This is the hashtag keywords and many hashtag keywords of this video. When hashtag keywords is better, then score is better. This is the score is very high of this video. Here is 76.7 /100. Then this is the actionable 50/50. This is the text section 5/5. This is the triple keyword 5/5. This is the keyword title 5/5. Keyword in description 5/5. Tag volume is 5/5. This is the action, always actionable. Overall actionable is the better. Then performance as a new channel and new video as performance is good. This is the good performance. A rank tag 5/5, high volume rank tag 0.3 to 5, 3/5. This is enough of this new video, new channel and new video.